Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible to you? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. I hope you remembered the last session we started about what? Various examples on loops. Remember? Okay. So now it's a time to see, to go for the, let me open the index once. 6 p.m. There is a transfer flow or flow control. Once I'll open the index I'll open. There you see flow control, purpose of flow control statements, next types of flow control statements, and under that conditional is completed. And don't think that there is completed and keep forgetting about that. We'll carry on those things. And next examples also completed. Looping also done. Syntaxes we did. And transfer flow control statement, break and continue is over. Almost past we are using it. And we are going to discuss that. Programming examples also we have seen on it. And written, I will use it in the functions. That is the next chapter will start. There we are going to use it. Okay, na? Not in the same thing, don't expect. At the same time, I will explain all of them. So don't expect that all of them will be done. So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to say in today's class, I'm not going to explain Prajwala. I'm not going to explain what? Pass, and pass is already over. We are using almost everywhere. But I will explain once again pass regularly in the class. Written statement, I'm not going to explain today itself. I will use it in the next topic called functions. I will explain. Okay. Now combined examples on looping and everything is done. Conditionals and everything. Today still I will carry these things into where? Nested loops or inner loops I will start now. Still I will continue these things. It is going to coming into the nested or inner loops. I'll explain. What is the use of this inner or nested loops? How it is useful to me? I'm going to discuss now. Shall I start up? Let's start the discussion. See students, go to a small requirement now. Come in. Go to the requirement here. Sit in the front, mom. Don't sit in the last. Boys will sit. Yourself, you sit with the girls last. Don't take one row for one girl. Come friend. Oh, sit along with them. Sit with all the girls. Why to sit separately? No coronavirus, no? Nothing now. Sit along with everybody. Okay. Now coming to the point of it. Now I am talking about nested loops I am going to discuss. Carefully listen. So today my requirement is to display the following. And one more thing which I have seen today is in my class, Akanksha, one student named Akanksha. 4 o'clock today, new batch started. One student came. She saying, sir, I am Akanksha, 10th class completed recently. Boys got all of a sudden wonder, you know. Manake ledu malla 10th class valaki. Correct kada? So, chala time undi valaki. So much of time is there. And she said, no, sir, I want to become data scientist. She's saying, what do you say, boys? Akanksha is asking that. What do you say? Huh? What do you say? She can become or she has to wait? Girls, what do you say? She can become or what do you say? She can become. Right. And you are feeling, see, Akanksha is doing overaction like that you are feeling. You may feel like one girl in that, Shruti is there in that. When she said, the 10th class girl, even she said, I also wondered, you know, sir, I am 10th class completed recently. I want to become data scientist. Shruti was one more online student. Sir, she is doing overaction, sir, she said. That was she saying. I said, no, ma, our vision is different. Our vision is different. I said, Akanksha, don't be hurry, ma. Already a lot of students are there. Completed their everything, 21 years education came. You are only 15 years now. Still time is there for you. Wait certain time. No, sir, I want to become. Okay, my you become, I said. Okay. So why we want to make our to be? So, okay, Ankit. Now I will start the discussion. Now the thing is, I'll start here like this. My requirement today is number one. I want to generate one. I want to generate two. I want to generate three. I want to generate four. I want to generate five. These are my numbers I want to generate. How do you generate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Can you tell me? Come on, quickly. I want to generate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you will do? I will say, I'll say that what? I'll generate this type of thing. I'll start giving you what? For loop, I will write it, correct? How do you write it? How do you write it? For I in range of 1, 6. 1, 6. 1, 6. I'll say here what? Print of what? I. Print of I. So that 1 to 5 is generated. Up to that, you know already now? Now, that is okay. One for loop, I will write it. But when I'm generating one, my another requirement is when one is generated, I want to generate what you know. One I want to generate, one I want to generate, two I want to generate, one I want to generate, two I want to generate, three also I want to generate. When one is generated, for that one, 1, 2, 3 I want to generate. For generating this 1, 2, 3, what should I write it? One more for loop I'll write or not? For j in where? A range of 1, 4. For this for loop, what I will write it is there. For this I'll write it what? For I in where? A range of what? 1, 6 I will say. When 1 is coming, I want to generate what? 1, 2, 3. When again going to where? 2. When 2 is coming, I want to generate what again? 1, 2, 3. So, in simple word, I would like to say, when this 1, 2, 3 is coming, when this 1, 2, 3 is coming, I want to generate what? I want to generate what here? I want to generate here 1, 2, 3. Here I want to generate 1, 2, 3. Are you able to follow? Again, I want to generate what? Again, I want to generate. For 3 also, I want to generate what here? 1, 2, 3, I want to generate. For 3 also, I want to generate 1, 2, 3. Now, for this 4 also, I want to generate 1, 2, 3. For this 4 also, I want to generate 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, for this 5 also, I want to generate 1, 2, 3. I want to generate this 1, 2, 3. Like this, I want to generate it. Now, see students, carefully. Now, I am going to give you the clarity here. 3. I'll write little down, ma. It is going up. Come in. So, coming late, not good, I said already. So, coming to this place. So, here I am writing 3. Here I wrote 4. Now, I am writing 5. Coming to this area now. 5. This is called 5. Tell me, students, what is this now? 1. For this one, what is written? 1, 2, 3. For this 2, what is written? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written what? One for loop. To generate this 1, 2, 3, again I will write what? One more for loop. See, I am writing. First one, right? I'll write one code. Please follow me the code and try to understand. Case number 1. First case I am talking about it. Tell me, how do you write it? For, tell me fast. For I in range of 1, 6. 1, 6. I will print what here, you know, I. What the values are printed? Tell me. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is generated, correct? But for that, when 1 is printed, what should I generate? 1, 2, 3 also I want to generate. See, students, how I am writing now? For this, under the for loop only, I am writing one more for loop. How do you write it? For j in range of what? 1, 4. 1, 4. I'll say print of j. See, students, This is called what loop? This is called what loop? Inner loop we can call. Spell out. Inner loop. Inner loop we can call. And what about this is called? Outer loop we can call. Spell out. Outer loop we can call. Outer loop. Come on, carefully follow, students. I will talk to this now. Careful. This is called for loop. And going to this place. And of course, after this print statement is over, it is going to where? This place. This place it is going. This place it is going. And now this is the one. This is the one. And I'm keeping the arrows also. Try to answer it when I'm going to ask the questions. After this for loop is over and this is coming out of it. It is coming out of it. Where it is going? Where it is going? Outer for loop it is going. Outer for loop it is going. Now I'll say here something like this. This is outer for loop it is going. So this is an arrow like this. Tell me, students. Now start the flow. And this is totally what? Outer for loop. Outer for loop this is. Start the flow now. This is comes under what? Other statements in the program or not? Other statements. Start. First PVM comes to which one? I already mentioned outer loop, inner loop, etc. Don't mistake by yourself. First PVM comes to where? Outer for loop. What is the value of I? Don't say mistake. If you say mistake, I cannot repeat again. What is the value of I? 1. Print what? Print what? 1. Next, where it is going next? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? 1. Printed what? For this one is printed, this is I. J printed or not? Going to where? Going to where? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? Good. To print what? 2. Next going to where? What is the value of J? 3. Printed J. 3. Next going to where? Inner for loop. Inner for loop is what now? False. Comes out of which loop? Inner for loop. Go to where? Outer for loop. What is the value of I? Quickly. 2. I is 2. Print 2. J in range of what? Uncommon 4. Print what again? 1. Going to which loop? Inner for loop. Inner for loop is what? J is 2. Printed 2 or not? Print J. Going to where again? Inner for loop. What is the value of I? 3. Printed 3. Going to inner for loop again. Inner for loop is false. Go to where? Comes out of inner for loop. Go to where? What is the value of outer for loop? 3. Go to where again? Inner loop. What is the value of J? Print what? 1. Go to where again? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? Go to where again? What is the value of J? 3. Comes out. Go to inner for loop. Inner for loop is what? Comes out of comes out of outer for loop. Who says don't know English? They don't know English. Out of inner for loop. Out of what loop? Inner or outer? Go to where? Outer. What is the value of I? 4. Quickly. 4 is printed or not? Where it is going? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? Print 1. Go to where? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? Go to where again? Inner for loop. Inner for loop is what? 3. Go to where? What is the value of J? False. Comes out of. Go to where? What is the value of I? Very good. Very good. Outer for loop value is 5. What is the value of J? 1 printed. Printed. Go to where? Inner for loop. What is the value of J? 2. Go to where? What is the value of J? Go to where? Inner for loop. Inner for loop is comes out of inner for loop. Go to where? Outer for loop also comes out of it. All the loops are completed. Did you understand? What is this process? The process of defining one loop inside of which loop? Another loop is called nested for loop. Nested loops we can call. What is the execution process? See guys, for every value of outer loop, inner loop executed finite number of times or not? For every value of outer loop, inner loop executed multiple times. For every value of outer loop, inner loop executed multiple times. Outer loop executed how many times? Inner loop executed every time how much? So 15 times totally executed or not? Yes. Are you able to follow this? What loop it is? While loop, for loop in for loop. Shall I move forward? Now I will move to the another case I will explain. Second case I will explain. Second case I will explain. My dear students, take care. I'll go forward here. Case 2 I am going to explain. So case 2 I am going to take it. This is by using which loop, students? For in for. For in for or not? Today I want to write it what? Come on. While in while. So I'll give 4 models. For in for, while in while, for in while in for. Okay. Now coming to the while in while. Will you plan it for writing, students? Now carefully follow, guys. Now I'm going to talk about it. My dear students, please carefully follow. While loop means compulsory need to go for what? Initialization, condition, updation. I must go for compulsory. Okay. Now need to listen. Having any tension? Thinking outside? What I'm doing? Huh? Listen. Thinking somewhere else. While no, while in while. While loop in while loop. Start. Here I am going to take it. What is the I? 1. Because the outer while loop deals with I. Inner loop deals with what is this now? Initialization for outer loop. Okay. Tell me, what should I do? While I less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now I will do what? Print of what value? I value. Print of what value? If I write I is equal to I plus 1, it is going to print what? 1 to 5 only. But 1 to 5, I don't want to print. Along with 1, 1, 2, 3. Along with 2, 1, 2, 3. So I will write it. Come on, now I am writing. J is equal to what? 1. Some different color I am writing. Tell me what should I write now? While J less than or equal to 3. Print of what? J. Print of J. What I am doing now? J is equal to what? J plus 1. And that too I will write today, else I will write it. Else rasan. I will write here what you know. J is equal to what? J plus 1. In the else part of while loop, I am writing what? I is equal to I plus 1. Understand, students? Coming to the point of what? Else. I wrote another else. I wrote another else. That else is for what? That else is for what? Outer while loop. See, dear students, here I am writing certain thing I am writing here. Go to the place. Go to the place. Now I am writing. What is this loop is called? Which loop? Inner loop. When inner loop is false, where it is going now? Outer while loop it is going. Outer while loop it is going. So coming to the point back, now I am going to say, I am going to give you here what this loop is called? Outer while loop. Same outer while loop. This is known as what here? Inner while loop. Inner while loop this is called. Start the flow, students, all of you. Start the flow. First it is coming to where? Initialization part of outer loop. What is this now? Condition. Come on. True. True. Print of what? I. What is printed? 1. Now J is equal to what again? 1. J less than or equal to 3. True. Printed what? J. That is done. J is equal to J plus 1. True. Go to where? From there only what? Inner loop. What is the value of J? 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. Print what? 2. J is equal to J plus 1. Go to where? Inner loop. 3 less than or equal to 3. Print what? 3. J is equal to J plus 1. 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Comes out of inner while loop, go to the else part of inner while loop, I is equal to I plus 1. From the else part of inner while loop, go to where? Outer while loop. What is the value of I? 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. True. Good. Print what here? 2. J less than, J is equal to what? 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. Print what? 1. That is J. J is equal to J plus 1. 2. Go to back. 2 less than or equal to 3. True. Print what? J is equal to J plus 1. 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. Print 3 plus 1. Inner loop is false. Comes out of, go to else part of inner loop. I is equal to I plus 1. Go to the, yes, 3. I go to the outer loop. 3 less than or equal to 5 or not? Yes. Again it is repeated. For 3 is concerned, what is repeated? 1, 2, 3. Understand? Comes out of inner loop. I is equal to what? I plus 1. Go to where? 4. 4 is printed. J is equal to 1. 1, 2, 3 printed. I hope you are following me. J is equal to J plus, I is equal to I plus 1. 5. 5. Going to the upper part. I less than or equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. True. 5. J is equal to 1. 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. 1. 2 is given. 3 is also printed. And J plus 1, 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Comes out of inner loop else. I is equal to I plus 1. Go to where? Outer. Outer while loop is also comes out of outer while loop. Else part is executing and other statements will execute. What is this is called? While in while. For in for. Are you okay? Right. Students, now I am going to introduce the example I will tell you. Shall I go to the example? Online students, did you understand these students, these diagrams? Online students, please commit, please respond it. Go to the PyCharm now. I'm going to introduce students. Now, PyCharm, you take it. Okay, students, carefully follow me. Here I'm going to say, this part you take it, close this area, close this project. I'll take it, 6 p.m. loops. Loops already there or not? Now I'll take it. What are my things here? I'll take it. Carefully follow, students. Python file, for loop, for in for, right? Or I can say inner loops example 1.py. Better I will go for this. Inner loops example 1.py. Okay, students. Now what is this loop, ma? For loop in for loop. For loop in for loop. Tell me. I say for I in range of 1, 6. 1, 6. Print what? Value of I. Value of what? I is equal to what I say? Dot format of I. Okay. Print of what I will write it? Like this I am writing it. Okay. Next I am going to write it. Next I am going to write it here. One more for loop I will write it. What is this now? For j in range of 1, 3. 1, 4. Okay. Come on. Print of \t value of j. Value of j. J. What is this value of j? Inner loop, right or not? For your understanding, I'll write inner loop. Dot format of what? Format of j. What is this now? Value of I, which loop this is? Outer loop. For your understanding purpose, I am writing. Okay. Now I wrote it like this. Okay, students. Now I am writing what you know, else part. Please look at. I'm writing \t. I am coming out of what? Inner loop. Inner loop. Okay. Now this is an else. This is known as which loop? Inner loop. Inner loop. What about this? Outer loop. See that. I will write it the same sentence. I'll write the same sentence here also. Else part you see, students. Where I am writing the else? Outer loop else I am writing. Are you following, ma? So coming to this, What is this now? I am coming out of outer loop. Outer loop I am writing it. See students, I am taking out this one. I am taking this part, written. Try to execute and see the result of it. See the result of it. Careful. Value of I outer loop 1. Is it loop inner loop repeated 1, 2, 3? Coming out of which loop? Value of outer loop 1, 2, 3. And inner loop is like this. Value of I outer loop 3. Value of j 1, 2, 3. Inner loop. Value of outer loop 4. Inner loop 1, 2, 3. Value of outer loop 5. Inner loop 1, 2, 3. Coming out of inner loop. Coming out of outer loop. Are you following? This is about which concept? For in for. Similarly, I want to write the same logic by using what? While loop I will take it. See students, I will take the same logic. Go to the place, understand me, I'll take it. Go to that. Taking here inner loop example2.py. Example2.py. What I will write it there? Which loop I am taking, mom? While loop in while loop. While loop in while loop I am taking. What should I do? Tell me now. I same. I is equal to what? 1. While of I less than or equal to, come on, 5. I less than or equal to 5. Value of I outer loop. Same thing. I will write what here? J is equal to what? While loop. So I am going to write it. While of what? J less than or equal to 3. J less than or equal to 3. Value of J inner loop. J printed. Here J is equal to what? J plus 1. Here I will do what? I is equal to I plus 1. Inner loop. This is called which loop, students? Outer loop I am writing. Following? I am coming out of inner loop, coming out of outer loop. Same thing. This while else and this is another while else. Followed, ma? Please run this. Same output is coming. Please read out this example. See students. Value of this I 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Are you following? This is about all the values are coming. This is called which loop? While in while. Another model I want to go for it. What is the another model? For in while I will take. For in. What is an outer loop here? For. Manchi knowledge in English la meek aslo. You have very good knowledge. Online students, you got it down? So I am going to take it. Inner loops example3.py. See students, I am writing Kadrasa Nurika. So what is this now? For loop in while loop. What is the outer loop? What is the inner loop? ఇంతకుముందు ఫార్ లూప్ అవుటర్ ఏదో చెప్పారు అందుకనే 10th class student Akanksha is important. Go to tuition to her. She will explain how to motivate by yourself. So come on, what should I do? I'll copy my example. See students, I'll copy this example. I'll put it here. See that what I will write now. Come on, for loop I will write it. While loop or for loop? While loop only. While loop only. I don't write this. What I will write it? For j in range of 3, 0, -1 I will say. I will print 1, 2, 3, 3 to 1 I will print. Okay na? Same model Y2 have the same model. What is this now? Inner loop. Inner loop. Else part also. No need to increment students. You know na? No need to increment. For loop else, no problem, I can write it. For loop related else, I is equal to I plus 1, I need to increment or not? Coming out of the inner loop, no problem. Now run the code. Run this code, 3 dot. See that now. What is happening? This is 1. What is the answer? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, Are you getting 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 3 to 1 here or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outer loop. 3 to 1 is called what? Inner loop. Got it now? This is about next model. Another model also I want to take it. What is the next model I will continue? Right. See that I will take it. Inner loops example 4.py. 4.py. See this now. I say this part. Now I am going to take up. Here I will write it. This I'll write it. Tell me. While loop in for loop. What is an outer loop? Huh? Sure. While loop is, for loop is, how many models? What are those? For in for, while in while. Right. So, done. So, somehow you said the answer. Good students. So, I will take this loop and I will come here. I'll paste it. I will print here called what? 5, 0, -1. And this I will take it what do you know? J is equal to 1. I will write it here. What should I write, ma? While you want 3 to 1 or 1 to 3? 3 to 1. Okay. J greater than what? 0. J greater than 0. Value of J. J is equal to what? J minus 1. J minus 1. Correct? Done. Repeated. J minus 1. J is called what? 3. J is called what? 3. 3, 2, 1. Like that it is going on printing. Outer inner loop also printed and all these things is completed. I run this code now, students. See that now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that it is printed. Are you following me? So here I said what? 3, 2, 1 is written. Coming out of which loop? Inner loop. I hope you are following. 4, 3, 2, 1 also is said. 3 to 1. All the values are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 printed. This is printed 3 to 1 also. This is known as what? One more loop we can call. Are you okay? So I will open a document and try to follow me carefully, students. I'll go for this now. So inner loops. I'll go for loops. I'll bring one small thing. Inner loops are nested loops. I'll bring to your place 6 p.m. and this is the no loops. Under that, I'll keep this, try to open it. So here you observe it, start. What is this now? Inner or this one? Try to read. The process of defining one loop inside of another loop is called nested or inner loop. The execution process of inner loops is that for every value of outer loop, inner loop executes repeatedly for a finite number of times. In inner or nested loops can be used in 4 syntaxes. First one, for in for loop, outer, for variable in iterable object, some statements, for loop, inner for loop, whose corresponding else, and whose corresponding else. Are you following me? Nested loops example 1.py. Output also given or not? Same to same. Same to same. Of course, this outputs and all, don't worry. This example anyhow I am going to upload or not? I'll upload it. Example is called what you know. So let us go to the what is happening. So just for a minute. So I'll not keeping any example here because last batch I kept that example. Right now, don't worry. Come on. Syntax number 2, while loop in. So initialization, outer while loop, inner while loop, and this part is there and else part is here. Are you following me? Syntax number 3, while loop in for loop. What is an outer loop? For loop. While loop is inner. For variable name in iterable object, outer for loop, written. Inner while loop is written like this and else part is written here. Are you following me? Yes. Now I am going to take up this part. I will take up here. Now I am writing syntax number 4. For loop in while loop. So while test condition outer while loop. This is called my inner loop. For loop is written outer while and inner for loop. And I hope that This example not necessary, students. Anyhow, you will run the coding now. So this is called what? 4 syntaxes are written. Got it up? Any difficulty, students? Online students, you followed me? Now open the notes now. Open the notes. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will display 1 to n multiplication tables. 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 Followed? 1 to n multiplication tables. Done. Now coming to the point back, students. Now I am going to say, what do you mean by that 1 to n multiplication table? Just to plan for it. Paint. Suppose my n is called what? 6 tables I want. N is called 6 tables I want. How do you print that? 1 to 6. How do you generate? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and then 6. What I should do, guys? Do guys here? For 1 is concerned, you generate what? Multiplication table for 1 or not? Generate the multiplication for first table. 1 into 1 is equal to 2. Next to 2, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 like this. I'll generate what? 1 into 10 or not? 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Like that, similarly, I'll go for second table also now. Here also table. 3 also table. Tell me, who will supply the numbers? Outer loop will supply. Inner loop will do what? Multiplication table will be generated. How many loops? 2 loops. 1 loop will generate numbers. 1 more loop will give you multiplication tables. Okay, students? Right? Let us start the flow. I am going to start with like this. Careful, students. Now I am going to say, see, here I am going to say Python. And what is this now? MUL tables. MUL tables. The two inner loops multiplication tables .py. Now I am saying, this is my logic. Tell me now. Start. Accept n is equal to what? Int of input of how many multiplication tables you want? How many multiplication tables you want? Tell me, what should I do? For and that too, if n less than or equal to 0, say what? Print of is which input? Invalid input. Online students, follow me, students, carefully. N. Are you following? Else I am writing it. Come on. For I say n or something like a number. NUM in range of 1, n plus 1. N, n plus 1. Suppose if I say 6 tables. 1 to 6 minus 6 plus 1. And 1 to 7. 1 to 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay. What should I do next time? Come on. I say print no. Number is coming now. I say multiplication table for I'll write it. Dot format of NUM. I'll write something, some line I will write it. Okay. After that, what I will do? This is called which loop? Which loop this is? Outer loop it is. Okay. What should I do? Come on. I say for I in range of 1, 11 colon. This loop will do what? Displays what? MUL tables. This will do what? Supply number, right or not? Supply what? Number. Okay. Tell me what should I do? Print of \t into is equal to dot format of NUM comma I comma NUM star I. NUM star I. So coming to the point back, else part I am going to take up. Else part I am going to take up here. This is like this. Are you following me? Right. Try to run this code. This is which loop? Outer of inner loop. This is right or not? Inner loop. Inner loop. This is which loop? Outer loop. Try to run this. Try to run this. How many multiplication tables you want? Suppose 4. I'll say 4. See that first multiplication table came, second multiplication table came, third multiplication table, fourth multiplication table. I can run it once again. I'll say some 10 multiplication tables. 10 multiplication tables came. For every value of it, one loop is executed or not? For 2, one more loop. For 3, one more loop. 4, 5, 6, etc. It is going on giving like this. Got it up? Fine. Next, I will say last and final 20. I want 20. See, within fraction of seconds, 20 multiplication tables got it. From 1 onwards to where? 20 multiplication tables came. 20 multiplication tables came. Got it or not? Yes. Finally, we understand the point that 2 loops are there. One outer loop and one more is inner loop. Got it up? So next, one more here. This is giving you what type of tables? Sequential multiplication tables coming. I want random multiplication tables. Random. Enter how many multiplication tables you want. Enter that numbers. Suppose 6 I want. Enter first value, second value. First table what? Second table what? Third table. If I say 6, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4th table, 5th table, 6th table. But not like that. First table, 17th table. Second table, 8th table. Third table, 16th, 19th table. Fourth table, some other number. Next number. Like that I want. Did you understand? Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will display number of random multiplication tables. 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 Understood that? Right. Let us start, dear students. Here I'll go for same thing. Go for what? Inner. I'll take it as what? Inner random MUL tables dot what? PY. So some name I am giving it. Inner multiplication tables I want. How to do this now? I will ask the user how many tables you want. This I will take it, students. First I will take it here. Then how many multiplication tables you want? 4 or 5 or what are those? Now I need to accept what? I'll do something more. Enter how many numbers? 6 numbers I need to take or not? Here see how I am taking. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, I will take out n is equal to or value is equal to int of input of enter number. And you will get enter first number. You will be getting dot format of what? I. Enter first value. That value will come or not? That value I will preserve into one list. I'll put it into one list. I'm capturing all the values. What I do? LST is equal to what I'm doing? Empty list I'm creating. Do you know already empty list creation? That value I will append to what? LST. How do you do it? LST dot append of what? Value. Append of value. Get it, students? Once the else is over, for loop else, given list, I'll take it here, I'll take it here, some 50. There I will write it, given print of what? Given list of values. Given list of what? Values. Dot format of what? Dot format of what? Come on. LST I will say. LST. I will print that LST here. Done. Try to run this, students. What is this comma? You need to write comma. Please run this now. See, students. Enter how many multiplication tables you want. Suppose 5. Enter first number 12. Second number 19th table. Third number 9th table. It's my own wish. Some -5, some 0. This is my given data. For positive numbers only multiplication table. For negative numbers and 0, there is no multiplication table. You understand? This part is I am getting the values first. I am getting the values first. Here I am getting the values. Here I am writing something like this. I got it. Here I am writing. Tell me what should I do now? I need to write the multiplication table or not? So one value I will select from this list. How do you select? For NUM in where? LST. For NUM in where? LST. What is the value of NUM? Come on. 12. Next value. Next value. Next value. -5 does not contain multiplication table. 0 also does not contain multiplication table. To generate the multiplication table, NUM should be positive. Come on, how do you do now? If NUM less than or equal to 0, say what input? Invalid input. Invalid input. Dot format of what? NUM. Got it up? Yes. I will write it. What I am writing now? Else I am writing. What should I do in else? I will say, if the number is not less than or equal to 0, false means it is coming to where? Else part. What should I do in else part? I will write it something like this. Come on. For I in range of 1, 11. This is called which loop here, students? Outer loop. Outer loop, right or not? Supplies the number. Supply the value. Supply the value from where? List obj. And for the supplied number generates what? Displays what? Displays what table? Multiplication table. This is which loop? Inner loop. Displays the table. Tell me what should I do? Print of \t into is equal to dot format of n comma I comma n number NUM comma I comma NUM star I. Okay. Now I will write it. Before that, I will write one for loop. Already it is there. Already it is there. Starting from here. I will write else for that for loop. Yes. Beautiful. Come out of that. Now try to run it. Mainly this is called outer loop. This is called what loop? Inner loop. Try to run, students. Enter how many tables? 6, 12, -4, 19, 0, and 16. What is that? 6th also there. Okay. So I'll say 6th table. What is happening? You see. Start here. Multiplication table for 12. Multiplication -4 is invalid input. Multiplication table for 19. 0 is invalid input. 6 is coming. Like this. But only one message I forget, students. I'll go to this place. What I will do is go to this code. When I am displaying this, I'll say print of what is this now? MUL table for, I'll write it dot format of NUM. NUM I will write it. Following, students. Now you execute. Try to run it. Some 6, some 19th table, some 12th table, -5th table, 0 here, and then say some 14. Sixth table I want, some eighth table I want. See students, you see here list of values. Multiplication table for 19, 19th table. Multiplication table for 12, 12th table. -5 is invalid input, 0 is invalid input. Multiplication table for 14, multiplication table for 8. Are you following me? So random multiplication tables and sequence multiplication tables. This is for sequence, right or not? And this is what randomized multiplication tables are coming. Are you getting? Is that difficult? Easy. Write down next. Online students. Are you following me? One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will display list of primes, list of primes, list of primes, list of primes within the given range, within the given range, within the given range. Okay. What is that range? N is 10. Within the 10 prime numbers I want. Within 20 prime numbers is an important. All these are very important. So our loop will supply the number. Inner loop will decide whether it is a prime or not. Okay, now start up. Class work, homework, student work, teacher work. We say quickly, I will do it. Huh? Teacher work. Offline student says teacher work. Monica is saying that teacher work. Aniki is saying teacher work. Who said homework? Vivek saying homework. Okay. So classwork. Vijay Kumar is saying classwork. Classwork means you have to do by yourself. Teacher will sit quiet and calm. Classwork or teacher work? Okay. Now start. Start the work now. So let's go to what? Watch me. Watch this. Inner loops primes. Inner loops primes dot what? Py. Inner loops primes dot py. See students. Now written. Inner loops primes dot py. Start. What should I do now? Say n is equal to int of input of enter the range. Enter the range. Enter the range of primes. Enter the range of what? Prime. Enter the range of prime numbers. That means how many prime numbers you want within that range. Enter the range in which prime numbers. If n less than or equal to what? 0. What should I do, ma? Is what here? Is invalid. Is invalid. Dot format of what? N. So I am saying what here? Else. Say fast. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. N comma n plus 1. That too, not 1 comma n plus 1. Number starts from where? 2. That too I will take it num. Num. Prime number starts from 2 only. Okay, na? Very good. Now tell me next, what should I do? Online students. Listen, what should I do? I will take it. Already we know prime number logic. One day we have already taken it. RES is equal to what I am thinking? Prime. I am thinking prime. Now tell me what should I do? One more for loop is there to check whether the supplied value is prime or not. How do I do it? For I in range of 2 comma what? NUM only. NUM only. This NUM, not n plus 1. Suppose if this number is called 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. That many times it is going to check the numbers. So there I will write it. What is this now? If, tell me, NUM percentage I is equal to what? 0. What should I do now? Print of what? Backslash T. Of course, not this. I RES is equal to what? Not prime. Not prime. Say what? Break. Break from which loop? Break from which loop, students? Inner loop. Not break from all the loops. Break from inner loop only. Not break from all the loops. Got it? Huh? Once it is breaking, you are coming out of the inner loop or not? There I wrote it. What is that? If RES is equal to what? Prime. If RES is equal to what? Prime. What I will do? Print that number. Print that number, correct? Or if you feel more relaxation, what do you do? Create what you know. One LST you take it, create one empty list, add the primes to the list or not. LST dot append of what? Value. Value or NUM? NUM. So placing here, placing primes in where? List. Are you following? Yes. I am just appending it. This will be repeated a number of times or not? If it is not prime, I am not adding to anywhere. I am neglecting it. Are you following? Now, no need to write else also. This is the inner loop. For one number, it is done. Once it is over, it is going to the outer number to take the next number or not? Fine. I'll do what? Come out of that else part. Once it is coming out of the for loop, outer for loop else, I'll print the result. How do you print? Print of, come on, list of primes. List of what? Primes. List of primes. How do you print, students? Print for, come on, for V in where? LST and print that list. Backslash T dot format of V. V. Finished. Are you following? So run this code. Online students, repeat last append step. This is already repeated, Monica. Already this append is there in where? List only. If we don't read now, you will get everything is doubt from now onwards. Because already we entered into highway. Going in 20 km speed is not good. It is already over. Append is a function used for appending the data to where? List. So need to learn more. So run this code. Enter how many prime numbers you want. 10 I say. 10. What are the primes? 2, 3, 5, 7. I say next what? 20. Sorry. 20 I will say. 20. 20. See the primes. Following? Next. I say next. 23 you say. 23 also came. You say next. 50. 50. 50. What are the primes in? You are getting that. Are you following? Next. Enter the primes. 2. What is happening? Only 2 will be coming. I'll say 1. 1. No primes. And I have to make it invalid. Where I should do? Greater than or equal, less than or equal to what? 1. 1 is invalid input now. So coming to the point, it say 1, invalid input. If I say 2, list of primes within 2. If I say 100, these many number of prime numbers are coming. Easy or difficult? Dead easy this is. This comes under what? Loop within the loops. Difficult or easy? Easy. So like this, you need to do this. Okay, now? Now, today, online students, I hope inner loops example multiplication tables, you know. Inner loop example multiplication tables, you know. Inner loop related what you know. These kind of things are already you are aware of it. Inner loops concept is finished. Now I want to go for next term. Today I want to introduce. Daily we are executing our program in where? PyCharm. Today I want to tell you another small, one more thing I want to tell you. So that part you see. The same program behind of this click, what is there? When I click on this button, green button, is it running the program or not? So internally behind of this click, what is happening? I want to show you. That also important for you. Okay, now? That's why today I want to tell you one more I am introducing where you can execute the Python program. After a few days, I will tell you VS Code, other kind of IDs, Jupyter Notebook, everything I will tell you. Okay, na? Fine. Today I want to go for Edit Plus. I want to go for it. Right? So little hard because I can't read notes properly. Today I read, repeat. Okay. So first reading is important. Automatically you will understand the subject. Without reading, class will be difficult. There is no doubt in that. So coming to the point of it, because it is not an academic examination, even though we don't go to 20 days college, we can write exam. Need not to go to college for writing academic exams. Anything we can write in exam related to that. Like cow essay, I told you cow essay importance. I told cow essay, right? Do you remember? Remembered? Not remembered. Okay, let it be. Not a problem. So, I'll tell you 1 minute, I will tell you. So, cow essay, 10th class, you take that you are a 10th class student. One question is there in 10th class. Assume one question is there. What is that? General essay question. General essay question. How many marks question? 15 marks question. After this, I'll go to my subject. What is the question? General essay. How many marks? 15 marks. Anybody can give any knowledge to test your knowledge. Cow, something like what you know, donkey, monkey, like that. What is the regularly asking question from so many years? Cow is the regularly asking question. Okay, na? What is the 10th class student is doing? Same question is coming every year. Na? This year also same question will come. That student read very nicely. Cow essay prepared very well. What is cow? What are the uses of cow? Everything learned. Buttified. How many pages? 2 pages. 2 pages. This page, this side, that side, total. And he went to the exam center. Question paper is given. Person like me said the question paper. What is that? Every time asking. Students are learning the same thing. Asking information technology, aeroplane, and next is aeronautical engineering. Write an essay on this thing. Information technology, don't know. Aeronautical engineering, don't know. Aeroplane, little better compared to both of them. So, they can't leave anything space because teachers already said. Why? Don't leave anything space. You also know, I also know that. So, written heading. What is the heading? Aeroplane. I went to airport. Airport in cab, by booking cab, I went to airport. Airport flight is there. I entered into flight. Seat belt kept. Then aeroplane taken off and entered into the flow. From the window, I looked into the earth. From window, I looked into the earth. What I have seen? Cow. I have seen cow. From there onwards, cow essay. Something linking like that. Directly touching your heart, right? Like that. So, clouds. After the cloud, watching the down. Clouds you will not watch. Why? Our essay is what? Cow. Something linking to cow. Like that. Very long back. Once, because before my industry career, I taught in one college, one subject I taught students, data structures. One subject I taught before my industry career. From that college, they sent my name to the exam center. And they sent to that college as a spot valuation, they called me for paper correction. So I said, I want to go. Actually, if I go, people will be getting suffer. They said it is a mandatory, everybody has to come. I went there. What are the questions there? Linked list advantages, importance, coding in the linked list. Adding middle, adding front, adding and all the menu driven programming. You know that student. What is that BE na, BTech, MCA na? I am not saying that. Linked list. You know what is that? See that people are very dangerous. What is that? You know, is linked list is heading is there. నేను వర్చువల్ గా చదివాను అది అందుకనే చెప్తున్నాను. Myself only corrected the paper. Linked list. The advantage of linked list is in a company, 100 employees are there. First employee contains address of second employee. Second employee contains address of third employee. Third will contain fourth, fifth, sixth. Total 2 paragraphs. Last 99 contains 100. This is called a linked list. 0 marks. That is linked list. Like this. So like this, suppose if I give a marks for that guy, what is the question? Define a linked list. What are the operations you can perform? And one program is given. If I make him pass, what that student will say to his friends? Somebody made me pass. Somebody means they will use his own language. Student use what language? If I am a student, I'll use that language. Somebody use that language. They made me pass. Next semester, he will not read the subject at all. If we make him one time fail, next time he will see textbook properly. So every question like that only he has written it. So totally how many marks, he got it? Out of 80 marks, 0, no, he got 4 marks. 4 marks. 4 marks he got it. And chief examiner called me. Why, for 4 marks, why, sir? You read, I opened that linked list. I asked him to read. Sir, give me 2 marks. Give him 2 marks, sir. Is it correct? I asked the chief examiner. He is having 10 years experience in the spot evaluation. 2 marks, I won't give. Because you open any textbook, this is not there. Will you give same marks? Yes, same marks. Let him send 4 marks only. You take the textbook and you apply. He said, okay. He thought that pass. If I actually is asking, make him pass. How can we pass it? Fail or pass? If you make him fail, next time we'll read well. Right. So finally, now I will move to the further. So don't think that sir is very hard-hearted. I am very kind-hearted. Wrong is wrong. Right is right. Fail, that's all. So now I am going to introduce one more thing. I am going to introduce one important thing. Today, every day we are introducing PyCharm and we are doing the coding. Today I want to go for what, introducing Edit Plus. I will introduce Edit Plus. There, Edit Plus is developed by ES Enterprise. Company name is called ES Enterprise. Go to the Google. Go to that. You click on where, Edit Plus. Edit Plus, you see Edit Plus free download. Edit Plus free download. Click on that. Edit Plus download free. So open it in the next tab. This is the one. So you see, students, there you are having ES Computing is the company, all copyrights are reserved. So there we are having what, download Edit Plus with 5.7. You click on download, students, in a fraction of seconds, this will download. Click on this download, I'm clicking, and observe immediately this spot, it is going to come here. Click on this area. It is downloaded in a fraction of seconds. Downloaded. You say open it. And you can go to this downloads option also. Downloaded or not? You double click on this. You double click on that. Edit Plus will be installed. Just to say one time next, it starts installing. Once it is installed, it is going to be there on that icon. What is this? This symbol is available. What is this symbol? Edit Plus. Or you can go to All Apps. E stands for Edit Plus. Edit Plus is there or not? You can click on it. This is opened like this. You can click on this shortcut. It is opened like this. Here, go to that. Edit Plus is not only for Python programmers. It is for all the programmers, they can do it. And it is a good way to improve your logic in this place only. So file and a new and what? Normal text. And I can use this as a normal text like a notepad. HTML I can use, like a browser I can use. C++ I can use. Perl I can use. Java I can do. Others. What is that? I can see. You can see HTML, C, C++, Perl, PHP, Java, JSP, scripting, CSS, XML, C Sharp, Python, Ruby, eRuby, Markdown. These many things you can do it. Are you following me? Right. Go to the place, file new. Edit Plus we don't use in industry students. It is used for only for your practicing purpose. We use PyCharm. Already I told you. Today I'm telling some extra thing for you. Go to others and choose what? Python. Click on this. There I will go for writing the code. Which code I will write it? Same as our PyCharm code only. This code only I will take it. This code only I will take it. This code I will carry. Of course, copying and pasting is very dangerous. I copied and pasted. Are you following? Same code. Code is same. Or shall I write it once again or okay? Or why to have with you? And why danger? I'll write it. Because otherwise you will feel that SAR is copied, pasted. So I'm writing here tested dot what? Py. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. C is equal to A plus B. Print of what? Sum of. I will say here some small execution I am doing to do it. Dot format of what? A comma B comma C. Okay, guys. Now save this code. It is untitled. Seema untitled. You execute. Where are you saving? File. Say what? Save. Once you say save, it will ask you in which folder you want to save it. Beginning day with you. Do you remember or not? D colon Python 6 p.m. Python 6 p.m. I am going to take up here batch mode. Did you remember, students? Remember or not? In the batch mode, I will write it. What is this now? I will say kvr.py. Some code I am giving it. So kvr.py. kvr.py is there. Are you following? Now, how you can run this? There is no option is available to run this. How to run it? To run this program which is typed in the Edit Plus software, you have to go to the command prompt. Which command prompt? Not Python command prompt. Windows command prompt you need to go. How do you go to Windows command prompt? Start button and then say what? CMD. CMD stands for what? Student, command prompt. Command prompt. Where is my program is available? Edit Plus kaadu. Okay, where are you living? Hyderabad. Answer cheppetappudu chala aalochinchali. So D colon. First of all, it is there in where? D colon. Is it D colon or not? Where is in D colon? Student, see the path of it. CD, KVR, Python, 6 p.m. Correct? Under 6 p.m., what is the folder name? Aslu, meeku koddi good knowledge ledu aslu. What is this now? Batch mode. CD, what is this now? Batch mode. Batch mode. Are you following? In the batch mode, you see what is my programs? dir. This is another way to do that. dir means it will show you that. What is my program name? kvr.py. Now I need to run my code. Actually, in PyCharm, how I am running? I am clicking on this run button or not? I am saying right click and I am running this. It's my advantage. Suppose I am saying 6, output is coming. But here behind that button, what is there? Command prompt. To run the Python program, there is a tool called what? Python. What is the tool? Python. Your file name .py. What is the file name? kvr.py. See the answer now? Answer came or not? Python is a tool used for running my Python program from Windows command prompt. Sir, where is that Python tool is available, sir? It is available in Python software. I will show you where it is available. Ideally, Python tool I will show you. Py, open. I'll say this is called what? Python 3.10 software folder ma. Software folder it is. I am saying that here what is there? All Python files are there. Choose what? All files you choose. Here, all folders are visible. All files. You see all files. Is it available or not? Python, what is this? One executable file, one script written inside to run the Python program. So Python is a tool used to run Python program. So behind of this tool, behind of this button click, what is written? Python. See, Python. What is your program name? That's all. Internally, what is used? Python, and this is taken as a file name. Am I doing the same thing in the command prompt also now? Are you following? Right. In other way, Python is a what? Full name, full length name. There is an alias name is there for this. Suppose Vivek is there. Uday is there, Uday. Some students are there. Naveen is there. Sagatika is there. They are having what? Shortcut names. You are also having shortcut names in your home or not? Like that Python shortcut name is what? Py. What is the Py? Nickname, alias name for Python tool. Py. What is my file name? Kvar.py. Answer is coming. How many tools are there to execute my Python program? 2 tools. One is a Python, one more is Py. Easy or difficult? So I can run my program in PyCharm. I can run my program in Windows command prompt. I can run in Jupyter Notebook, VS Code. In many places, we can run the code. Okay, students. Now I will go to my class once again. What is this code you see, ma? Once again, you observe it. I will take up this. Shall I save this code? Yes, save it. This also I will save it. Where I will save it? I will take up in 6 p.m. Suppose I am saving it in where? I will give the file name as what? Primes1.py. For example, I am writing. Suppose instead of taking this data, I can take what here? True, I will take it. Or I can take what, false. False I am taking. Here I am taking what? True I am taking. What I will do here? What I will do? If res value is called what? False. Then you append it. Understand? This you save it. Where I am supposed to save it? Control S. Save the code. Where? In loops of where? 6 p.m. Under loops, I'll save my code. What is my code? Save it. Where I saved it? In 6 p.m. folder, loops folder, one program is saved. Where I am in? Batch mode. I should come out or not? To come out of the folder, I should say cd double dot. Means it is coming out of it. In 6 p.m., what is my loop? Loops. Loops. Are you following me? Yes, execute. Py. See the answer. Enter how many range of prime numbers you want? 25. See my answer. Py. Nickname I am using. I say Python. What happens? Okay. So say this answer now. Inner loop. Python I will say THON. See that now. Something like 27. I got the values like this. Sorry, following. So whenever I feel, I will take that. These are all called what? Coding is same. What is different? IDs are different. Just like what? One day you will come on cycle, one day you will come on scooty, one day you will come in car. Like the different vehicles you are using to run your Python code. Easy or difficult? Say easy. When SAR is doing easy, when we keep your hands on the keyboard, so many difficulties will come. So coming to the point back, I can write the program either this way or I can write the program into PyCharm also. Whichever you feel convenient, you can go for that. Okay now? So can I give some small homeworks? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will decide whether the given number is whether the given number is perfect or not. Whether the given number is perfect or not. Whether the given number is perfect or not. What is meant by that, perfect or not? Please look at students. Perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. What are the things, sir? A perfect number is one which is divisible by its, which is, first you take the factors of it. What are the factors of 1 to 6? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. 6 is not a factor, I told already. If at all you want 6, you take the 6 by yourself. But 6 is not a factor, technically speaking. 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is an answer? 6. Sum of the factors is equal to what? Original number. Then it is called what number? Perfect number it is. Got it up? Suppose if you take 6 also factor and no number is perfect. Got it up? So what is the perfect number? Let's write down, hint you write it. Perfect number is equal to sum of factors of given number. So I am writing given number 6. Factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sum of factors is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Hence, come on. 6 is perfect. This is one case. Take one more case. Take given number is what? 8. Given number is what? Given number 8. 8. Factors of what? 8. Factors of 8. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4. Sum of factors is equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus 4 is called what? 7 is equal to 7. Hence, 7 is not equal to 8 now. 6 is equal to 6 kada. Sum is equal to, in the bracket I will write, is equal to what? Given number. Is equal to given number 6. Is not equal to what? Not equal to given number 8. Hence, 8 is not, yes, 8 is not perfect. This is about what? This is about not perfect. Are you following? Like this, you need to do that. It's very easy. Already factors program I told you. And you apply a little bit knowledge. And you go on working on that, students. Okay now? Shall I move forward? Do it. One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will decide whether the given number is Armstrong or not. Whether the given number is Armstrong or not. Whether the given number is Armstrong or not. What is the Armstrong number I am writing, students? Write down you also. Armstrong number is equal to sum of cubes of given digits. Sum of cubes of digits of what? Given number. Sum of cubes of given number. Sum of digits of given number. Sum of cubes of digits of given number. Example I am writing. Example. 153 you take it. 153. What is this? Come on. 1 cube. 1 cube ante 1 star star 3 plus 5 star star 3 plus 3 star star 3. 3 star star 3, which is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27, which is equal to what? Come on, 153, which is equal to 153. So I'm writing here is equal to 153. Sum I got it. Is equal to what? Which number? Given number. Given number. Hence what? Hence 153 is Armstrong. Is Armstrong. So is Armstrong, you need to take it. This is called a one thing. If you want one more example, you take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, you take it. Example. Example. I'll take it. What is an example here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? 1 star star 3 plus 2 star star 3 plus, come on, what? 3 star star 3. 1 star star 3 students. 1 plus 8 plus, come on, 27. 27. What is this now? Is equal to what? 30? Okay, ma, 36. Which is not equal to what? Not equal to given number. Given number 1, 2, 3. Hence, hence 123 is not Armstrong. Like that. So many number of examples will come in further. And by this time, you must be intelligent in writing coding. The more you practice, the more perfection will come. And not to see copy paste or not to DTP operator like working like that, it's not correct. You have to do by yourself. Okay, now? So this is about what we have seen. Inner loops concept, we have seen it. If I go to my index, index of this thing, transfer flow, if I take it index, where it is, flow control, not that, flow control. If I open it, it is going to be showing like this. Tomorrow, I will take one more session of practical examples, I'll tell you. And different logics, I will tell you. Okay, students, tomorrow also, I will use combined examples of all these things. Say, no, we are discussing from last 10 days onwards the same. I can say one example, I can say finish it off. But you have to work hard on this area. Tomorrow also, some new level of examples I'll tell you. What industry will follow. How loops are used in industry, I'll tell you in the class. So don't miss tomorrow class. Today, 4 p.m. new batch was started. Still any friends are there? You can tell them about our 4 p.m. new batch is started. Okay, students, both offline and online. Online students, you can hold on. I can speak to you. I'll stop the class. Tomorrow also, I'll tell you the examples on loops itself. Thank you, students. All the best.